How to use same Telegram accounts on two devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure that you download and install Telegram application on both of the devices. Tap to launch it and make sure that you sign into your account. So, if you have already logged into Telegram on your first device, on your second device, you need to open Google Chrome or you can even install Telegram. Once installed, you can tap open button to launch Telegram and enter the same phone number and that you used on your first device. And with that, you are all set. That's how you use the same Telegram account on two devices. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.